Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this 2021 Valentine prediction filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Okay, so to stop the filter, open your mouth. Okay, and to get this filter, let me remove this first. Okay, filter is gone. To get this filter on Snapchat, what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours, tap there. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.